Who are you talking to, huh? What are you doing over there? Hi. Hi. Are you getting those feet? What do you think, huh? Hi.
You're doing your hiccups.
Yeah.
These your feet?
Get those feet. She's such a good girl. Hi.
Are you a good girl? Are you a good girl, Olivia? She even has clammy feet.
Mm-hmm.